Coochie Man by Muddy Waters is such an easy and fun blues song to play. Let's learn it. The main riff of the song is so easy, it sounds like this. 2, 3. Right, real simple thing to do. Let me walk you through it here. There's a tab there for you. Hit the 3rd fret of 5, open 4, 2nd fret of 4, back to the 3rd fret of 5, give it a little bend, and then open 5. Okay, that's what he's doing. There are a couple variations you can do. Watch this. See, at the end, instead of just hitting the open 5, I hit the 2nd fret of the 4th string. That's an A power chord. Right, so you can do that. Now, in between the riffs, of course, he's saying the lyrics. You can do a couple of things if you're just playing the tune by yourself. Watch this. Right, you see what I'm doing there? So you could either go up, down on muted strings, or you can just do all downstrokes. Down, 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 down. That works. So. That sounds pretty cool, right? You can do that. Another variation you can do is this. This is what I tend to do myself, really. See what I'm doing there? So I'm just holding that 2nd fret of the 4th string, playing that A power chord, and I sort of do a nice mute here and hit that power chord. Okay, so a couple of variations you can do. You don't have to do any of them if you don't want to. That part goes 8 times during the lyrics. At the very beginning of the song, he plays it once. Okay, that's the intro. And then he plays that 8 times. Now, on the very last time that you do that riff, as you approach the chorus, he goes like this. Okay, so that's on the A power chord again, 2nd fret of the 4th string with the open 5, and we're going 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. You can do all downstrokes there. Okay, so let me put that in context. So as it approaches the chorus, he goes. Here it comes. The chorus is traditional blues here, very, very simple thing to play. Move that power chord from your A power chord on the 4th and 5th strings to the 3rd string 2nd fret, and we're going to hit the open 4th string with that note. And we're going to do this on your 3rd string. We're going to walk up. Listen to this. It goes 2, 2, 4, 4, 5, 5, 4, 4, 2, 2, 4, 4, 5, 5, 4, 4. And now come back to your A power chord. We're going to do the same thing. 2 times. All right, and now let's go to our E power chord on the 5th string, 2nd fret with the open 6. Do this just once. And then jump over to your D power chord on the 4th and 3rd strings. Now come to your A power chord and hit just the power chord twice. And then we're going to do what's called the turnaround, which is a real traditional blues sound. On your 4th string, go like this. 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2. And then on your 5th string, 0, 3, 4. 4th string, 2. And then open 6. Okay, let me back up a little bit on that. So it goes. And then to get yourself back into the riff, on your 6th string, go like this. That's on your 6th string, 0 to 3. You can give it a little bend if you want. And then you go like this. End on your A power chord. Let me play that chorus through all the way. Okay, I'll start from that last riff where we're doing the triplets. So it goes like this. right, let's do a little play along together. Let's play the whole thing. I'll go real slow. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. I've got some other videos here on my channel about the blues if you are interested. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.